Good morning, DGens. I'm going to show you how to buy BERN on the Solana blockchain. This is not financial advice. It's very, very risky. It's launched. It had a botched launch, in my opinion, not too smooth, and it does have a decent amount of hype. So we'll go over what BERN is, and then I'll show you how you can buy it. So firstly, just over an hour ago, BERN went live. This is a token contract address. There's a pool, and all transactions will incur a 6.9% fee. I'll show you it on BirdEye in a second. And then have a look at this one here. We can see that the whales that got in early with bots have done very well. So like 73.65 Sol, getting 10 million BERN, and a short time later being able to sell 6 million, so they still have 4 million left, and they've made a hefty profit. And there's plenty of examples like this. This one did exceptionally well. This post from Lieutenant Lollipop, who is big into Bonk, is interested to see how this token standard plays out. And this is basically how the token standard works. All transactions will incur a 6.9% fee, 5% goes to reward holders of BERN, 1.5% is used to buy and burn Bonk, a small amount goes to a dev fund, and 0.1% goes to the Bonk DAO. Also, this post shows that it will not show up in your wallet because it's a new standard and Phantom and Backpack will have to add the support. There was also an airdrop to 69,000 wallets for 10,000 tokens apiece. So I'm not sure if any of my wallets have got that, but I'll check it out later. It also says there's not a 50% fee, there's a 6.9% fee. I'll show you more on this shortly. And the only place to buy it is Fluxbeam. Before we dive into there, let's have a quick look at BirdEye. The max total supply at billion, fully diluted market cap is 5.2 million. Just 10 minutes ago, this was 10 million. So this has dropped considerably. 24-hour volume is 530,000. I think this will be closer to 3 million at the end of the day. And TVL is $279,000. Having a quick look at 3Ness's tweets, he's buying the misinformation and FAT on BERN. However, he may have a very decent bag, but we'll see if he's right. This is Fluxbeam's Twitter, brand new account. Let's go and do some aping. Okay, so this is fluxbeam.xyz. We'll launch app and we'll connect our wallet, backpack, and connect. Now my suggestion, of course, is to use a completely separate wallet. So ideally using something like this wallet, and remember to name it something like this. However, I'm just going to be using my main tutorial wallet and I'm fine with that. You can only go from Solana into BERN, not USDC. Let's change this to Sol. And this one, let's go to BERN. Also, annoyingly, this quite often says insufficient balance. So we'll give it a full refresh and we'll try again. It says it again, so I'll quickly troubleshoot it. I wasn't having any luck with Backpack. I don't think it's a fault of Backpack. I think it's the fact that this website still isn't sorted out. You can go into settings and make some changes, but I just want to show you how it looks when you purchase it. So the UI says that I'm going to spend 0.5 Sol and I'll have this massive transfer fee, which is significantly more than 6.9%. This is why it's kind of confusing, but we're just going to go for it anyway. So we'll swap. And then this is what our wallet looks like. So we'll approve it. Then we get this progress bar, which says it's confirming. And this is how we get our BERN. Now let's go to our settings again. And this is how the slippage was set. If need be, you can add a priority fee in order to make your transaction go through faster. And sometimes you may have to update the slippage. You shouldn't need to have it at 15%. It may be required on occasion. We'll try another swap and we can see, once again, it says insufficient balance. I can go the other way, of course, but I have issues going this way sometimes. So we'll click swap again and approve. Now it says the minimum received will be 212. And remember, we can't see it in our wallet. So jumping into our wallet, manage token list, BERN, it's not there. In our NFTs, it's not there either. And it's not in our hidden collections. So let's go and have a look at our history and just check it out on Solscan. Now this is a new token standard. So we can see this transfer here and we can see a token balance change here. So the transaction went through. In the end, we got 268 BERN. So it's a little bit confusing, but that's how you play with it. Remember to do as I say and not do as I do, but use a completely separate wallet, a DGen wallet, while you're playing with these sort of things. Also, you can go into the settings of Backpack or Phantom and go to Trusted Apps and revoke access if you like. The next time you go to the website, you'll have to reconnect. Just a reminder, none of this is financial advice. It's pure degening on meme coins. So stay safe and good luck.